Okay, just gonna go over the trade I took today at work. Took this trade from my phone on 2 Combine accounts and 1 Express account. The daily doesn't give much. You see, we inverted the daily fair value gap on Friday of last week, so that's bearish, obviously. The 4 hour, we, I don't believe, let me just check something. Yeah, so this 4 hour was actually not tapped into yet, because this 6 o'clock 4 hour candle did not close yet. So this was not a fair value gap yet. But the 1 hour, I put an alert on this 1 hour fair value gap and was hoping that we would tap into it if we were going to go for sells. And we did just that. We tapped into it. And then I started to look for reaction off of that. I also, previous daily low was a target. It wasn't what I ended up taking profit at, but pretty close. And you see equal lows here that I was targeting, and we obviously were sweeping liquidity as we went up into that 1 hour fair value gap. And the 5 minute is where was the highest time frame fair value gap that got inversed. So once we inversed it, I actually, because I was on my phone and it's a pain in the ass to set a market order or to set a limit order on my phone, I placed market orders. I got a better fill on my Express account I got a better fill on my Combine accounts as a result, because I entered on my Express account first with 3 contracts, and then I realized, oh shit, my Express account isn't copying to my Combine accounts anymore. I did that on purpose, and so then I had to go enter in off of my lead Combine account, and I got a bit better of an entry because you could see this initial candle after I entered was going higher. So my entry was probably like here or something like that for the Combine accounts, and it was probably a little bit lower for the Express account. But yeah, that was the trade, and stop above the high, take profit at the lows, and obviously got lucky with where we took profit, because had we, well, to be fair, it probably would have still tapped us out. But if we weren't precise enough with the previous daily low take profit, it could have been bad news, because then you see we rallied to stop loss, and then all in all, just an extremely choppy day. So I was happy to take my piece of the pie and be out early. It's also nice to be out early at work too. Like, you take a trade at 9:40, you win the trade at 9:50, 55ish, and you're done with trading for the day. It's a good feeling when you got other stuff to do. So let me show the executions. And